Purpose of the EU AI Act is to establish a detailed legal structure for the development, marketing, and utilization of AI across the EU, aligning with core EU values. It endeavors to promote the adoption of human-centric and trustworthy AI technologies while ensuring robust protection of health, safety, and fundamental rights, including democracy, the rule of law, and environmental safeguards. Furthermore, the Act is designed to support innovation and mitigate the adverse effects of AI systems within the EU. The AI Act's key provisions, risk-based classification and obligations. The Act introduces a risk-based approach to AI regulation, classifying AI systems into categories based on their potential risk levels: unacceptable risk, high risk, limited risk, and minimal or no risk. This classification dictates the specific development, deployment, and usage requirements for each category, ranging from strict prohibitions to more lenient oversight measures. Unacceptable risk AI systems. These are outright banned due to their detrimental effects on fundamental rights and EU values. Examples include social credit scoring systems and real-time biometric identification in public spaces, except under strictly regulated conditions. High-risk AI systems. This category includes AI technologies used in critical infrastructures, educational or vocational training, employment management, law enforcement, and other areas that significantly impact health, safety, or fundamental rights. High-risk systems are subject to stringent requirements, such as thorough risk assessment and mitigation measures, high-quality datasets to minimize risks and discrimination, activity logging for traceability, detailed documentation, clear and adequate information for users, human oversight measures, and robustness, security, and accuracy standards. Limited and minimal or no-risk AI systems. Systems posing limited risk require specific transparency obligations, while minimal or no-risk applications such as AI-enabled video games or spam filters enjoy the freedom of use. Governance structure and enforcement. The Act establishes several key organizational structures for oversight and enforcement, including the AI Office, oversees general-purpose AI models, fostering standards and enforcement across member states. The AI Board advises and assists the European Commission and member state authorities. The Advisory Forum provides technical expertise to the Board and the Commission. The Scientific Panel comprises independent experts supporting the Act's implementation and enforcement, implementation timeline and compliance. The AI Act outlines a phased implementation approach, with full applicability 24 months post-enforcement, allowing for a gradual adaptation period for organizations. Key milestones include the immediate application of prohibitions on unacceptable risk AI, followed by governance obligations for general-purpose AI, and eventually extending to all high-risk systems. Challenges and opportunities for legal practitioners. The AI Act presents both challenges and opportunities for legal practitioners specializing in AI governance and compliance. They must navigate the complex regulatory landscape, ensuring that AI deployments within organizations not only comply with the new requirements, but also respect fundamental rights and foster innovation. Understanding the Act's interplay with existing legislation, such as data protection, intellectual property, and data governance laws, will be crucial for advising clients effectively. Conclusion: the enactment of the EU AI Act represents a critical juncture in the regulation of AI technologies, setting a global benchmark for trustworthy AI development and deployment. As the Act moves toward implementation, legal practitioners play a vital role in guiding organizations through the maze of new obligations and ensuring that AI technologies serve the common good while respecting individual rights and freedoms. The work for AI governance professionals begins now, with a clear mandate to operationalize the principles of the EU AI Act into everyday practices.